god, my scarf is going everywhere. Hello everyone, I have an appointment today with Dr. Clear Aligners, so I really need a cute outfit because I'm going to the city and I have an outfit in mind, but I have a couple pants that I want to try on, well, jeans that I want to try on, and I don't know which one suits best with the jacket because it's like a brown leather jacket and the colorway of my jeans are annoying me. Alright you guys, so I picked up my aligners and now we are going back in the car. I have to try on my first set of aligners. Alright you guys, before I got so rudely interrupted by the wind, I was saying that I finally picked up my aligners and I am going to take a couple pics in the city and then we're going to go around a little bit and I will open up the box for you guys. And I'm so excited to finally start the treatment and try on my first aligner. Like, I have been waiting for this for so freaking long. I just want straight teeth and I will let you know how it goes. Alright you guys, so I am back home. It is like 7 o'clock right now in the afternoon and I finally have the goods and I want to go through everything with you guys and hopefully I can actually start my first set of aligners tonight, just so then when I sleep they can like settle nicely on my teeth, because I know from previous experience that it really freaking hurts. So I want to go through the little box that it comes in and just give you a rundown on what to do. So this is the bag with the most valuable thing to me right now. So we shall open her up. Alright guys, so we shall do a little reveal. I'm so excited. So this is gonna be my box for the next couple of months. So before I dive into basically everything that's inside the box, I will just tell you my treatment. So basically after the scan, which was a couple weeks ago, they ordered in my aligners and they have concluded that my treatment will take 9 months. So that is like a set of 25 aligners, and because my treatment will be a little bit longer, they do it in phases. So for phase 1, I have 5 sets of aligners. So for every 5 sets of aligners, it's a new phase and I will go in and pick up the next trays. So I am going to go through this and hopefully it is going to be all but good. Alright, so they've given me my 5 trays. So it on the packet, it has upper one, lower one, and then I'll just write on it like with a Sharpie the day that I'm going to start. So hopefully I am going to decide to put it on today. And then we've got number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I just got to make sure to keep these in order so that they fit appropriately to my teeth, and they have my name on it, which is like so freaking cute and customized. And then it comes with the case, so I have to make sure I am in a really good habit of taking out the trays and popping them in the tray, because leaving them around is not hygienic guys. We can't do that. So hopefully I'm going to remember. And I have to wear these aligners for 22 hours minimum, okay ladies and gents. So I usually skip breakfast anyway and they'll be in my mouth like all day, so I've got to take them out, brush my teeth and then pop them back in. And then when I'm gonna go to eat, I have to brush my teeth and then pop them back in, or just like wash, rinse my mouth and then rinse the aligners and pop them back in. And then it comes with a little instruction manual. Then they also come with like these chewies, so it's like a silicone tube to make your aligners fit properly, because there's like some air bubbles sometimes and it's good to use it throughout the day, so then it is actually moving your teeth properly. And then it also comes like with a file, because they are made to your teeth. You have to like kind of fit them yourself. So pop the trays in. If you feel it poking anywhere, just literally keep molding them to your teeth by like shaving them down, if that makes sense. Then there's also like this like green hooking where you can take off your aligners if you have nails on, but you love, I don't have nails on at the moment, so that's going to be really helpful. Then they also come with a model of your current teeth, and this is so freaking exciting because I really hope to get another one of these at the end of the journey, so then I can get a comparison, because honestly like my teeth, it's such a big insecurity for me and I absolutely hate it because I am a bottom teeth talker, so I can't hide it. You are all seeing my bottom teeth and their crookedness, so this is going to be a solid example of what they look like, and then I want an example afterwards to see the change. So they also come with the stretcher as well to use when you're taking photos of your teeth, because they actually track your journey through an app. So they are taking constant care and they're really supervising your treatment, which is really good, because in comparison to Smile Direct Club, they didn't. It was very much like do it yourself, do the whole entire treatment, and then if they don't come out how they were meant to come out, well, oh well, you're gonna have to pay for another tray. And I am literally not saying this because I am with another brand. I'm saying this because I had my own experience with them, and it took me over 1 year to have my 4-month treatment complete. So it's just like, if my teeth are not going to take 4 months, tell me they're not going to take 4 months. Don't give me trays according to 4 months of a treatment that's not really going to work. So that's why Dr. Clear aligners are giving you phases if your treatment is longer, because you do your 5 set of aligners and then you go in, they check your teeth, and then they give you the other 5 sets of aligners, because they don't want you to be wasting your time and wasting your money. Anyways, going back to what I was talking about, I was just going through a little rant. They also have these, what are they? They're called a cleaning tablet, and there's also mouthwash. So your aligners, I'm not gonna lie, they do get a bit stinky because of your saliva, okay? You're wearing them for 22 hours in the day. They're not gonna smell beautiful, they're not. So they give you a cleaning tablet, so you put it in like a bowl or like a really big jug, and then you put some lukewarm water inside the jug, and then you put the cleaning tablet in there, let it dissolve, and then put your aligners in there to really like soak in the cleaning stuff so it doesn't stink. So it's stink free, clean free. It just helps your aligners to stay fresh. Same thing with the mouthwash. If you've got the aligners in your mouth, it's just mouthwash to really clean it up. So that is that. So if I do pop on my first set of aligners, you guys, I am going to show you the process. I am so excited. Probably going to knock down in some PJs and then really put on like my aligners and shave them down if they need to, just test them out. But for now, this is day 1, or let's say day 2 of my Dr. Clear aligner journey. So I hope you guys stay with me with this journey. I really am excited to see the results, and I hope you guys are here with me. So make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so that you get a notification every single time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next video.